Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about how to write a Java project in Eclipse. The first thing you have to do is download Java Standard Edition. The first link here takes you to Oracle's website that owns Java right now. The current version of Java is 8U73/74 and you click on download. Based on your operating system, you choose the correct file, download and install it. Once you've done that, you install Eclipse. The first link takes you to Eclipse website. The one that you want to download is not Eclipse IDE for Java Enterprise Edition, no. The one you want to download is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So once you download and install it and open it, this is the welcome screen that you get. You go to Workbench, which takes you to the working area. It has three sections: Package Explorer, Editor, and Console. To create a new project, you go to File, New, Java Project, not Project, Java Project. The name of the project by convention starts with a small letter. We'll call it Demo Program. Please don't change anything else and just press Enter or Finish. When you double click on Demo, it should contain this folder called Source. By convention, what we'll do is we'll create all our programs inside a package, which we'll call comp125. So you right click on the program, on the project, choose New and Package. Name the package comp125 and press Enter. It creates a comp125 package inside the source folder, which is currently empty. You right click on the package, create a new class. Now that's our file in which we'll write the code. We call this let's call it Hello World. The stub that you want to create is public static void main string args that you can see over here. So please enable that and press Enter. You can see that it auto completes the code for you. The code is inside package comp125. It contains a public class Hello World. It has the method public static void main string array args is the parameter, as I discussed in my previous video. And inside that, you can type system.out. You can see Eclipse auto-completes a lot of things for you as well, which is fantastic. Println Hello World. Now Eclipse provides a one-click function where you can compile and run your program, which is this play button. So when you press this, you just get in the console Hello World. You can do any kind of addition as well if you want. You can say A is 3, B is 5, and the value that you'd like to display is A plus B. When you run this program, you get the output 8. So Eclipse run button saves, compiles, and runs your Java program, which is great. We'll now write a function that main will call. Now the good thing in Eclipse is that when you want to use a function, don't define the function straight away. If you call a function, then you can use Eclipse's error reporting functionality to autocomplete the definition. So what I'll do is, I've got A and B as 3 and 5. I'll store the smaller of these two in a variable min. So now Eclipse sees that there's a function being called to which you are passing two variables A and B, which are of type integer. The result of this function call is being stored in a variable min, which is of type integer. So Eclipse puts all of this together and gives you an error message that the method smaller, which has two integer parameters, does not exist. And a quick fix is available, which is great. So you create the method and it auto-defines the method. By default, it makes the visibility private and you keep it as public. It has to be static because it's being called by main. The return type is int because you copied the outcome of this function call into an integer variable. The name is smaller and the variable names are copied from the function call. You might want to change the variable names for clarity. Let's call them x and y. If x is less than y, you return x, and otherwise you return y. This output we can display on the console using system.out.println, and we display min. Let's run this program and you can see that the smaller of 3 and 5 is 3, the smaller of 13 and 5 is 5, and the smaller of 5 and 5 is also 5. The smaller of 6 and 6 is 6. So that's how you create a Java program in Eclipse. Thank you.